Okay, so we are putting the new headlight on and the new fairing, and now it's a good time to check how high is the beam of the new light. So what I am doing now is I mark the center of my headlight. I mark it on this fairing and then on the side of the fairing, so I can measure by myself. And a little note, don't do this on the central stand because you'll get like 4 or 5 centimeters of difference. So while I'm sitting on the bike, it is some 19 centimeters. 19 centimeters is the height of my front light. That's the first measure we're gonna need. And now we are going outside and make the mark for 25 feet. And 25 feet is some 7 meters 62 centimeters. Don't be angry on me, but I will not use the I will use the metric because, you know, I don't want to use 6,000 of the quarter of the something. Sorry, metric system is much easier to use. So 762 centimeters, I need to mark that point in my outside of my garage, and then mark the height of the of my light, center of my light. Let's do that.